you, bitch ass nigga. I got money, nigga. I don't need this bitch ass job. I'll beat your ass. You should shut up, motherfucker.
Shut up, motherfucker.
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Still out here in the National City, y'all. They done with the load. Did an excellent job. Fucking with my nigga Mob in the head. North Park, the official North nigga, man. You know, yeah, they don't get no norther than this. We way in North National City on some North shit. In the lack. 97.
Shit.
96, baby. No 97.
Hey.
Sedan DeVille. Your boy back in action.
Hey, it's clear.
Church yourself.
Church is powder motherfucking seeds. You already know. Yeah. The blue is for the job. The black is for the mob, man. You understand me? You know, don't get it all fucked up, man. You know, we some real North niggas, man. My nigga, goddamn it, Mighty Black North. And you know, let's give it up.
You know, you got Church over here.
North yourself.
He called himself the Deacon. You know.
I thought your name was Moneybag the Pete.
Nah, hell nah. Cap almost gone, y'all.
Got the new phone from the big homie, baby. Goddamn it. Good looking out, black. $50.
Hey,
name.
That's Junction.
Baby, goddamn it, gave it to me $50 and paid the bill. So next time the bill's due, I don't know. I've been getting hella bitches, everything, hella text messages, hella weed sell. If you need a sack, come up to the JOB. I got you on that Reggie Bush. You know what I mean? We score. Hey, what did Reggie Bush do this year?
Oh, no.
He got a ring. Fuck with me, player.
Fuck with me, player. And come and throw that tip, bitch.
Yeah. Hell. We keeping it dummy. But, you know, man, the shit don't stop, man. Niggas on my bumper. Niggas on my bumper. I got the door open. I would have been hotboxing, but I got the door open, you know what I'm saying? From a nigga mobbing.
He don't blow. He don't take his meal.
Man, that shit strong. I don't know what the fuck these niggas is smoking.
So I got to take his meal.
Hey, everybody that's hating on goddamn it, Mighty Black, one thing I can say, these niggas is keeping it lit. I don't know what y'all niggas doing right now, but nigga, if you look at all these volumes, volume 1, volume, they keeping it lit. Lit. I ain't talking about no flavor blunts. I ain't talking these regular swishers with flavor chronic. Get on your shit. They fucking with all the rooms and shit, you know what I mean? I know motherfuckers keep it lit. These niggas came to my job and kept it lit.
True that.
They was blowing at my motherfucking job. The bosses here, I'm talking about the main manager. They blowing, keeping it dummy lit. Just kind of like, oh, that smells real good. You know what I mean? Getting the workers high.
Hey, niggas can't go nowhere if we can't smoke, man. That's why niggas, you don't never see niggas stepping out and shit, man. Cause niggas can't go out, man. When this shit get really right, man. You know, you might catch a nigga out. You got my nigga over here barking up. He gotta hit the Jones. That's, you know. If you don't know about the Jones soda, you don't know about nigga. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up on that 10-4, cake, hit that, hit the weed.
Can't hit that. Can't hit the weed.
Then I'm gone.